The question is, I want to write crime fiction. What craft books do you recommend I read? Well, of course, it behooves me to mention my own, Mastering Suspense, Structure, and Plot, Mastering Plot Twists, and Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI. I'm known for my content. They're content rich, and I use scientifically sound theories. I do a boatload of research. I have a gazillion examples, and that is to show you not just what to do, but how to do it. Beyond that, I'm also comfortable recommending Stephen King's On Writing, A Memoir of the Craft, William Zinsser on writing, and that is not specific to mysteries, but it's just such an insightful book on writing. Anne Lamott, Bird by Bird, that's her chapter on shitty first drafts. It's just priceless. And there are other good ones too. Hal Efron, Secret to Mystery Writing. I mean, it's just fabulous. You'll do it. I know you will. And congratulations on wanting to learn craft. That is an excellent first step. And I should also mention all my webinars. Jane's Inner Circle is a new membership program I've started that offers unlimited access, unlimited replays of my webinar library, 50 or more and counting, from all the topics that will be very helpful to you wanting to write crime fiction, from things like using red herrings, to openings that kill it, to plotting and characterization. All there. You'll find it on my website. And if this tip had value for you, I do hope you'll like it, you'd share it, subscribe to the channel. It opens up features that let us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.